So to continue from the previous slide, survey is best vehicle for measuring attitudes and orientation. In aiming to understand the attitude of a group of participants, in aiming to find out their perspective or their interest, survey is best used for conducting those, especially when we conduct with a large number of people and represent the large population. So basically, a general opinion towards survey also complicated. We just know that survey is used to conduct to find out the population of a certain people that we aim for, but the opinion toward survey also hard to say or hard to divide as well because people just say different things. For example, on the high report on the human sexuality, when the study is conducted, it is criticized on their data collection method. So in this research, the researcher gave out 10,000 of copies of the survey to a large number of participants in respond to those questionnaire, but then only 4,500 returned. So they criticize that there is a large difference in number in the context of survey. And another one, they also criticize that the return respondent are not represent the whole population. Based on their definition, based on their define, they just said that those 4,500 participants or respondents then represent all the population that the topic is basic covered on. So the other things on defining the survey, it is more on the phony survey. Phony survey is basically coming from the political party, and it's just like on the different way of just preparing, and they may just conduct it to collecting the public opinion. So political parties more aim concern on the public opinion on how they are thinking, how they are viewed. That is why they conduct the phony survey. And recently we got the another survey which is bogus survey and could be known as push pull. So this more concerned with the political party because they conducted to survey their supporter responses. And push pull survey is known as the telemarketing technique. It is how we use a telephone call to propose, to stimulate, to push on the potential voters. And by this, it could mislead the information about the candidate under the pretense of taking poll to see the voter preferences. So, for example, there are two political parties. So they use telemarketing techniques to give more supporter to them, to transfer information of the party they prefer to the voter, like the candidate between candidate A and candidate B. So they try to deliver those information like if I pass this election, I will do this, I will change this, I will transform this. So this kind of mislead information will be transferred to the voter, and it is just to make sure that they have deliver those needed information to their voter and to see their voter preferences. So informing of doing this, it is not way of measuring. It is not just to check what is the perception of the voter or to check what is the attitude of voter toward this candidate or toward this that candidate, but it is just to manipulate the public opinion, and it is just to push away of the voter one candidate to the other candidate. And so far, survey and poll are misused, but if it is used in a right way, survey could be the useful tool for social inquiry to formulate a good research and to answer to any social issue as well.